Well, this one is the Applications tab. Here we can see a preview of the currently playing content. On the right side, we can monitor the disk space we have used and the total space we have available. So we have 30 gigabytes of total space, have 27.57 gigabytes of available space, and 2.43 gigabytes of space still used. Here we can see the number of people watching live, and below are the transmission codes, both the URL and the transmission key. And it's very easy to broadcast live. You will need, for instance, OBS as I'm showing here. Inside of OBS, you proceed to Settings, then Steam, and you will insert both the server name and the string key. It's also very important to configure the bitrate to make sure it's within the contracted range. The audio should always be set to 128, and we recommend keeping the stereo set to 44.1.